So what you working on, Harlan?
Passenger side front fender for the '69 Coronet. Looks like I'm gonna have to add some more front.
I don't think you're gonna help it any at this stage, can you? Sir? No?
Thought maybe you try. I mean, I don't know.
That's all final. That's all final block, man. Little tiny shit.
So Kenny, what have you been working on today?
Just holding pretty much this, rockers, quarters, jams, whatever it takes to get her ready for paint.
Alright. So Harlan, what you been working on today?
Today, I've been sanding out the driver's side door jamb, final sand, getting it ready for paint. And now I'm on the cowl, and I gotta get these vents next. I haven't been looking forward to that, but it has to be done. And that's where I'm at right now.
Just in the final sanding, George. Thanks.
Kids like fucking violence.
Yeah, like that, right there. See, look at that shit.
I'm just, ow! I'm trying to sand.
There's fresh paint everywhere.
Ow!
Ow! I mean, ow!
Ow! My nipples.
I don't even think this is a video at this point. Oh,
Hit my nipples.
this isn't even a video, is it? Just like that, through the power of editing, you're on this side now.
Yeah, that's just the other side. Same thing. Only twice. Did that look good?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, just put it on Rachel's desk in there. One all the way in the corner. Stuff like that.
I didn't even flinch. Just a little bit further.
Pretty sure. Hey everybody, it's Harlan from Graveyard Run Restorations. If you liked our video, hit that subscribe button and see you next time.